In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify to upload a new theme to your online store. Whether you're refreshing your store's look or just trying a new design, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and navigate to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this by entering the Shopify URL associated with your store and logging in using your credentials. Once you're on the Shopify admin homepage, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your store. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Online Store. This option should be visible in the menu. Clicking here will expand the online store section, providing you with more options specific to your store's design and web presence. Now that you're in the online store section, you'll want to direct your attention to the Themes page. This is where all your store's design templates are housed. On this page, you'll find a list of your installed themes alongside buttons to change, add, or customize them. Locate the Actions button next to your current theme, as we're about to add a new one. To upload a new theme, look for the Add a Theme option. You should see a button titled Upload Zip File. Click on it. This will open a new window on your computer, prompting you to upload your theme file, which should be in a .zip format. Ensure your theme file is ready and saved somewhere easily accessible, like your desktop or a dedicated folder for your downloads. Now, click the Add File button to browse your computer's directory. In the File Upload window, find the .zip file of your new theme. Once you have selected it, confirm the upload. Shopify will then do its magic in the background to extract and install the theme onto your store. This process might take a few moments, depending on the size of your theme file and your internet connection speed. And there you have it. Your new theme is now uploaded to your Shopify store, and all that's left is to customize it to suit your brand and activate it for your online presence. Remember, the visual aspects of your online store are a key part of making a strong impression with customers. Take your time to adjust and tailor the new theme to truly represent your business and meet your aesthetic goals. Thanks for following along today. I hope this guide has made the process of uploading a theme on Shopify clearer and more approachable. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips and tricks. Happy selling!